Hi there, this is Paolo with Bark. Let's set up your kid's Android device today. This could be a Samsung, a Pixel, a Nokia, or another Android like that. We won't be covering how to set up a Bark phone in this video, but if you're interested, check out our How to Set Up Bark Phone video. Now that we've got the right folks still watching, let's set up monitoring, screen time, and location features by installing the Bark Kids app on your kid's Android. On your kid's Android, open up a web browser like Chrome. Type in bark.us/Android and tap Download Bark Kids. Once the file is finished downloading, tap on Open. If you don't see that prompt about opening, try to scroll down from the top of the screen. You'll likely be able to open it that way. And when you first open the file, you get a warning about downloading apps from unknown sources. Click on Settings and select Allow from this source. This time, you'll be able to tap Install. If it gives you a notice about being unable to install the app and to contact your IT administrator or contact your parent, it sounds like you probably are using Family Link on your kid's device, which is totally compatible with Bark, but you just have to make an adjustment in your Family Link parent app. So on your parent device, pull up your Family Link parent app, or you can go to g.co/yourfamily on a browser on your parent device, tap on your kid, tap Controls, tap on their Android device, and then tap Allow Apps from Unknown Sources. While you're here, make sure that Add or Remove Users is off and that Developer Mode options is also off. This prevents your kid from tampering with both Google Family Link and Bark. If you also use Google Family Link app time limits, set the Bark Kids app, sometimes mislabeled Bark for Chromebooks app in Google Family Link, to be always allowed. Once you're done adjusting those Family Link settings, try to install the Bark Kids app again. If you see harmful app blocked, don't worry, the Bark app is perfectly safe, but you would just tap More Details and Install anyway to proceed. Now that we've installed Bark Kids, we're gonna open it up and we'll see that it needs a device code. Set your kid's phone aside, and on your parent device, open the Bark Parent app or dashboard. Tap on More if you're on mobile, or the drop-down menu if you're on desktop, and then tap Get Device Code. Select your kid's name. If it's a shared device, consider creating a child named Shared Device or something to that effect. Then enter that device code into the Bark Kids app. You'll see a few prompts asking for permission to different things. Tap Allow on all those prompts. With this checklist, you'll grant permissions to the Bark Kids app one by one. When granting accessibility permission, if you get this error, it's because newer Android versions require you to adjust another setting. Slide your finger down from the top, tap on Settings, tap on Apps, tap Bark, tap the three dots on the top right, allow restricted settings, and now you should be able to allow accessibility for Bark. Then continue allowing the rest of the permissions. Lastly, if you see this background location permission, you'll tap on Permissions, tap on Location, and tap on Allow all the time. Make sure Use Precise Location is enabled too. Then tap back a few times to the Bark Kids app again, tap Continue, tap OK on the VPN prompt. This ensures that your app and site blocking rules get applied. And then tap Check In just to make sure that feature is working. You should then get an email, text, or parent app notification with their location at that time. You can always manage those notification settings in the Alert Settings section of your parent app or dashboard. And you can always check their latest location by checking your family map at the top of your dashboard or by tapping the location tile under your child. That's it. You've now set up monitoring, screen time, and location features on your kid's Android device. Also keep in mind that after 5 minutes or so, our uninstall and setting protections kick in. Your kid can't uninstall the Bark Kids app, nor edit important Bark settings without your permission. Also use your Bark Parent app to check on alerts about self-harm, bullying, sexting, and more that may be found in your kid's Android texts, photos, videos, or social media DMs. In there, you can also add additional monitoring by tapping on the monitoring tile and selecting Add New Apps. Tap on the screen time tile to block internet to apps and sites and set screen time schedules. Check out our other videos for more tips on getting the most out of Bark. In the meantime, if you need further assistance not covered by our videos, don't hesitate to reach out to us at help@bark.us.